We'll guide you through how to trace a bitmap in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop and import the bitmap image you want to trace by going to File, then Import. Once your image is imported, select it by clicking on it. You will notice the image is outlined with arrows indicating it's selected. Now go to the top menu and click on Path, then choose Trace Bitmap. This will open a new window with options for tracing. In the Trace Bitmap window, you have several options like brightness cutoff, edge detection, and color quantization. Brightness cutoff is great for simple black and white images, while color quantization works well for color images. Select the option that best fits your image. You can adjust the parameters like threshold to refine the trace. After setting your preferred options, click OK. Inkscape will then generate a vector image based on your bitmap. You may need to move the trace vector image off the original to see the result. You can do this by clicking and dragging the vector to the side. Once you're satisfied with the trace, you can delete the original bitmap by selecting it and pressing the delete key. You now have a scalable vector image that you can edit further or save. To save your trace image, go to File, then Save As, and choose an appropriate format like SVG for vector graphics. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.